everyone, preparing your practical for the subject code BJ0035, that is writing for media. It comes under semester 2. Under guided exercises, we have provided you with exercises from 1 to 40, out of which you have to select any 7. Each exercise carries only 10 marks. So let's go through each exercise and know what this exercise wants you to do. Exercise number 1 is non-verbal communication skills, wherein you have been provided with all the gestures, pictures of the gestures and the signs and symbols, and you have to write what observation that you have come through. Exercise number 2 is verbal communication. You have been provided with a situation. You have to write what should be the verbal communication for the given situation. Exercise number 3 is writing for newspaper. Yes, newspaper has lots and lots of stories, but each story has to have a different, a unique style or approach of writing. So we'll see this in exercise number 3. We have provided you the situation, information based on which you have to write article stories for the newspaper. Exercise number 4 is writing a news story, wherein you're being requested to write a story based on the information provided to you. Exercise number 5 is writing editorial for newspaper, how an editorial of a newspaper should be. Yes, the editorial is always written by the expert of the particular field or by the senior most journal, but this exercise is just to equip you with the writing editorial skill. Exercise number 6 is writing columns. Again, columns are being written by the experts in the particular field, but tomorrow definitely any one of you, all of you rather, will be an expert. So we have an exercise for you to practice writing columns. Exercise number 7 is writing feature story. Feature story is again a write-up which has more human touch so that the mass can relate to the story that you write. You have been provided with a situation, you have to write the feature story part. Exercise number 8 is writing review, analyzing a situation and write upon it. Exercise number 9 is writing for radio. Writing for radio is for writing for the ears of your listeners. So you have an exercise wherein you have to imagine your readers are the listeners who can hear your voice. So you have to be very particular when you write for the radio. Exercise number 10 is writing for television. Now here, while you write for a television, you are now writing for your eyes, the eyes of the readers, the viewers. Exercise number 11 is writing documentary or short film. Then you're writing for a documentary or short film. Yes, time limit is very, very essential. So we are providing you with a time limit wherein we want you to write a short film or a documentary story. Exercise number 12 is writing proposals. We have provided you with situations. You have to observe it and write proposals. Exercise number 13 is translation. You have been provided the information. You have to translate in your own regional language. A humble request, please write the language that you have translated the given information into. Exercise number 14 is creating storyboard for documentaries. Creating storyboard is like the cue sheets, how your story moves around. So these brings us to the end of the guided exercises, which carries 70 marks. Any information, please write to us on our email provided in the practical guidelines. Go through the EduNext web portal for more information. For now, all the best. Thank you.